It's 9:18 a.m. on a Tuesday. Your inbox is already full of urgent requests from senior executives who need an updated forecast before noon. At the exact same time, two members of your own team are waiting at your desk, asking for permission to make minor low-stakes decisions they could easily make themselves. By lunchtime, your calendar is a solid block of color. You've been in back-to-back meetings, putting out fires, and you haven't made a single percentage point of progress on your actual core work. This is the middle management squeeze. Executive expectations push down from above, while team dependency pulls from below. Organizations try fixing this with generic management frameworks, but these shatter under pressure. The manager is facing a thinking and presence problem, not missing technical skills. Adding more intellectual models to a crushed cognitive load only creates more noise. It masks the true root cause of why a once capable individual contributor begins to break down in the leadership chair. That breakdown often begins with the dependency trap. When a team member brings you a problem, your first instinct is to jump in and solve it personally, because fixing things is how you've always defined productivity. Acting like a primary problem solver quietly sabotages your team. Every fast answer you give teaches them to rely entirely on you for every decision, turning you into a permanent bottleneck. The upward pressure creates a different kind of hesitation. In a high-stakes executive meeting, you might find yourself hedging your opinions and qualifying your statements, waiting for senior leaders to lead the way. This hesitation occurs because you are still measuring your right to speak using a metric of 100% certainty, a standard that worked when you were a technical expert. Modern leadership requires the ability to create clarity and provide direction, even when 100% certainty is impossible. Relying on instincts and metrics built for your previous job makes it impossible to win this two-front war. By the end of the day, these external pressures trigger a deep internal tipping point. You sit in your car, gripping the steering wheel in total exhaustion, wondering if you were actually the right person for the promotion. This phenomenon is known as identity lag, the psychological gap between the day your title changes and the day your brain's internal self-image actually catches up to your new responsibilities. During this lag, the inner critic hijacks your daily thought patterns. It converts routine decision-making into an unsustainable mountain of mental debt, forcing you to overprocess every interaction. Firm, authoritative tone. The internal cognitive load generated by an outdated identity proves more destructive to middle managers than the actual workload from their teams or executives. Resolving the squeeze requires you to intentionally fire that inner critic. You have to stop measuring your success by yesterday's scoreboard of personal, technical output. Real executive presence grows from the ability to regulate internal emotional noise under pressure, rather than from studied body language or communication techniques. Mastering this internal regulation projects outward. When you stop providing immediate answers, you create the space for your team to develop their own judgment and generate their own solutions. As the team learns to operate independently, accountability spreads horizontally across the group, permanently shattering the central bottleneck. The transition into leadership completes on the day your internal defaults for handling pressure finally evolve to meet the actual weight of your responsibilities.